Hi kids, it is cycle 3, week 18, and we have a whole bunch of things to learn. Let's start with science, and in science for the last 2 weeks already, in week 16 and 17, we already sang this song because we are learning the first 12 elements of the periodic table. Week 16 would be the first 4, week 17 the next 4, and then today the last 4, but we're singing it as one song. So you have 3 weeks. Today's the last week to memorize that song. And it goes like this. So we have, the question is, what are the first 12 elements of the periodic table? By number, element, symbol, and mass. And the song goes to the melody of 12 Days of Christmas. It goes like this. What are the first 12 elements in the periodic table? By number, element, symbol, and mass. 1 hydrogen, H, 1, 2 helium, He4, 3 lithium, Li7, 4 beryllium, Be9, 5 boron, B11, 6 carbon, C12, 7 nitrogen, and 14 8 oxygen, O16, 9 fluorine, F19, 10 neon, Ne20, 11 sodium, Na23, and last 12 magnesium, Mg24. Good job. You guys can break it up into different parts of the song, or you can sing it all together. But like I said, today is already the 3rd week that we have done it, so you guys should be knowing that song. Okay, next, our math raps are coming to an end today. We are learning about the area of a triangle today, and it goes just like the other raps. It's a repeat. So I say the area, you say the area of a triangle equals 1/2. Equals 1/2, and then we all sing together the last line, base times height. Okay? Are you ready? We go like this. The area of a triangle equals 1/2, all together, base times height. Let's do that one more time. The area of a triangle equals 1/2, base times height. Good job. Okay, in Latin, we are continuing to learn our John song. And today, we are learning what's on our CC shirts this year. Do you remember what is on there? It says, "Et lux in tenebris lucet." And you guys all know those words because we learned them in the first semester. Et is and, lux is light, in is in, tenebris is darkness, and lucet is shineth, which means this translated is, and the light shineth in the darkness. So it goes, and you already know the song. It looks in tenebris lucet, and the light shineth in the darkness. It looks in tenebris lucet. Here we go. That's it. You guys are awesome. Okay. In English, we are learning different sentence parts, and today we're learning the second of 2 sentence parts. Last week, we sang the same song about the subject, and then today we're learning about the predicate, but I put them together in one song, and it goes, as you know, to the melody of "Take Me Out to the Ball Game." So it goes like this. Sentence parts, first subject. The subject is that part of a sentence about which something is being said. Second, the predicate. The predicate is that part of a sentence that says something about the subject. There we go. Second week of that. In geography, we are learning about rivers. Rivers in the west, which means when you look at a map, it's to the left. It's over where Washington, Oregon, California, and all that is. Utah, we're moving over to the west. And we are going to sing it to the melody of "I've got the joy, joy, joy down in my heart." So it goes like this. Rivers well West Colorado River, Red River, Rio Grande River, Columbia River, and the Great Salt Lake. That is it for geography. In history, I'm going to move over a little bit. We are learning about Pearl Harbor. So our question is, tell me about Pearl Harbor. And it starts like this on December 7th. So we're going to do a 7, 1, 5 on one hand and a 2 on December 7th. And then it says 1941. So we're going to go from December 7th, 1941. The Japanese, we're going to do our outline of Japan. The Japanese bombed, we're going to go just clap, bombed Pearl Harbor, Hawaii. We're going to do a little hula dance, Hawaii. Causing the United States, we're going to salute, causing the United States to join the Allies. We're going to put the hands together, that's our sign for Allies. Join the Allies in world, a W, and another one, war, and then the number 2. Easy peasy. Tell me about Pearl Harbor. On December 7th, 1941, the Japanese bombed Pearl Harbor, Hawaii, causing the United States to join the Allies in World War II. And last but not least, we are learning about our timeline. We're starting with Cherokee Trail of Tears. So our sign for Indians, the Cherokees were an Indian tribe. We go like this, Cherokee Trail of Tears. U.S., this is our sign for U.S. U.S. westward expansion. We're going to do a W and go west, westward expansion. Marx, we're going to do a sign language M. Marx publishes the Communist Manifesto, sorry. Then we have the Compromise of 1850 and the Dred Scott decision. The sign for compromise, we've used that quite a bit, is when we think about different things and we come together, right? The Compromise of 1850 and the Dred Scott decision. And then we have U.S. restores trade with Japan. And then we have the sign for Britain, is like shaking our hands. British Queen Victoria, we're going to do a V for Victoria, rule over India, do a dot. And last but not least, we have a D for Darwin. Darwin publishes The Origin of Species. We're just going to do the sign for origin, or the beginning. Okay, let's go. Cherokee Trail of Tears, U.S. westward expansion, Marx publishes the Communist Manifesto, the Compromise of 1850 and the Dred Scott decision, U.S. restores trade with Japan, British Queen Victoria, rule over India, Darwin publishes The Origin of Species. That was it for Cycle 3, Week 18, and I hope you had fun learning. Bye!